welcome back to another video of Char's World. Today we're going to be doing a review on these vacuums. The Miele Dynamic U1, the Dirt Devil Dynamite, and the Dyson V8 Animal. The three tests we're going to do is... Don't fall. The three tests we're going to do are sound. No.
Keep going, man.
We're going to do cord length, we're going to do weight, and we're going to do sound. Hope you like the video. So the first one we're going to do is cord length. The cord length for the Miele Dynamic U1 is 39 feet. Cord length for the Dirt Devil Dynamite is 25 feet. And the cord length for the Dyson V8 Animal is infinite. So the Dyson V8 Animal wins this round apparently.
Until the battery runs out.
And until the battery runs out, yes. The sound. First sound we will do is the Miele Dynamic U1. 3, 2, 1.
Nope. Yeah, stand it up straight. Stand it up straight.
Okay. So, not very loud. The Dirt Devil Dynamite. Very loud. There's a ghost. And then the Dyson V8 Animal. Pretty loud as well. I would say the Miele Dynamic U1 wins. Now let's do weight. This is the hard part. How do we measure the weight of these? We are going to use a scale. We're going to do pounds first, then we'll do kilograms. The Miele Dynamic U1. Probably the heaviest one because I can barely lift it. It says it is 21 pounds and 10 ounces. Now it weighs 9 kilograms and 548 grams. Okay. We're going to set it back to pounds. This one could be the heaviest. Next, this. Okay, it weighs 10 pounds and 8.10 pounds and 4 kilograms and 764 grams. Okay. I'm sorry for the scale. Is it okay? It's perfectly fine. Good. Now,
You're just going to have to hold that up. Char.
Okay, yep.
Nope, other end. Stand it up on its end. There you go.
This is probably going to be the one that breaks the scale.
You're going to have to hold it so it doesn't fall, but...
It weighs...
Hey, don't push down on it.
I'm not. It weighs 5 pounds. 5 pounds and 10.7 ounces. 2 kilograms and 570 grams. Why is this balancing? I don't like that. Well, so that wins this round. So the winner in total is the Dyson VA Animal. It can suck up dog hair, it can suck up animal hair, it can suck up humans, clothes. Not that loud. Still kind of loud. Cord length. Infinite. Just until it runs out of battery. So, that's it. The Dyson VA Animal wins. Hope you liked the video. Make sure to like and subscribe. And wait till next time. Bye.